Most big creators are hiding this from all of us, and thank God I was able to crack it. Here are 25 ways that you can make money even without getting monetized here on YouTube. I mean on your faceless channel. Many creators build a faceless channel with one plan: YouTube AdSense. They wait for YouTube AdSense. But in 2026, that is the slowest way of making money here on YouTube. And if you stay to the end of this video, I'm going to add extra 3 that is making me money most, even as a 9-to-5 and a 9-to-5er, and also have faceless channels just like you. YouTube now has multiple built-in streams of income, and honestly, some of them aren't being talked about enough here on YouTube, especially the ones you can unlock before you even get monetized here. And on top of that, the smartest faceless channels back off YouTube streams, I mean YouTube revenue stream, using YouTube as the engine and not only the payouts. And I'm sincerely sharing this to the benefit of Africans most. So in this video, I am breaking down these 25 streams of income and organizing them into 3 levels, so you can actually follow the path that suits you. Now, level 1, I call it early stream that you can activate even before you have big subscribers. Now, level 2, this is what I call streams that scale when you get consistent views. Level 3, advanced streams that turn your content into an asset. By the end, you will know exactly what streams to activate first for your channel. Now, let's talk about the foundation of monetization on YouTube, the YouTube monetization tiers. Before we jump in, you need to understand YouTube current monetization structure, which is broken into 2 tiers. Tier 1, the expanded YouTube partner program. I call it early unlock. Now, requirements: what do you need to have before you can unlock this particular level? You must have 500 subscribers, 3 public videos in the last 30 days, and either 3,000 public watch hours in 12 months or 3 million short views in 90 days. What it unlocks, what are you going to gain when you reach this particular stage? We call it fan funding feature. Now, this includes memberships, super thanks, super chat, super stickers, and that's all for the 500 subscribers and 3 million views or 3,000 watch hours on your long form video. Now, let me talk about the tier 2, which is full revenue share. We call it YPP, YouTube Partnership Program. Now, what is the requirement for this particular pack? You have to have 1,000 subscribers and either 4,000 public watch hours in 12 months or 10 million short views in 90 days. Now, what does this stage unlock? Ad revenue share, short revenue, and full YPP benefits. Listen, for this particular tiers that I just explained, your YouTube channel must be in right stand with YouTube. Yes, you have to obey their community guidelines before you can get access to this particular monetization tiers. You must have 2-step verifications enabled and a linked AdSense account. All right, now let's dive into these 25 streams of income here on YouTube, even without having 1,000 or thousands of subscribers or having millions of views. You can access them. Now, level 1, I'm tagging it early activation streams, which is, please bring your paper and pen and write this down. And if you are seeing my face for the first time, I'm a digital entrepreneur teaching you how to make money online, even using AI in content creation. So why not go ahead and like this video, subscribe to this particular channel, and don't forget to turn on your notification button. And let's get right into this level. Level 1, I called it early activation streams, and now can I tell you for free, start this particular level while you are still building your channel. Now, when you are building your faceless channel, don't just wait. This level is not about waiting. Most faceless creators grind until AdSense kicks. But in 2026, you can start stacking income while you are still building your channel for the monetization criteria we just explained. Now, let me explain little about channel membership. This is where you have to get recurring monthly income. Example, members can get any of your items, like any of your products. Yes, they can decide to buy your prompt pack for your faceless channel, how you create your videos. Now, they can decide to even subscribe for weekly, they can subscribe for monthly. Now, also, the next one is super thanks. Now, when you talk about the super thanks, the tick button under your video, when activated, it works best, especially if you're into tutorial channel, or you are posting problem-solving content. And as it stands now, evergreen videos also collect these super thanks. The next one that I mentioned is super chat. Viewers pay to highlight their message during your live stream. Works even with small but engaged live audience. If you have small audience but you have them engaged, they engage on your live videos, you can activate these. We have the next one, which is super stickers. Viewers buy and send animated stickers during your live streams. Lower commitment than super chats and encourages more participation. So when viewers are watching you, they'll be like, okay, let me send out stickers. It converts to money. Yes, if you can go live on your faceless channel. I have taught how you can go live on your faceless channel, right? So you can refer to the video and watch it. Number 5 of these streams I've already mentioned for. Number 5 is affiliate income. When you recommend tools that you use for your faceless channel, you can actually drop the links in the description or even pin the comments. I mean in your comment section. You earn commission when someone buys the product, when someone pays for the tool. No YouTube requirements for this needed. Now, the next one, which is number 6, digital product. I'm talking about templates, ebooks. You can sell done for you templates. Example, your script template, you can decide to sell it. Your thumbnail template, you can decide to sell it. Your Notion dashboard, you can decide to sell it. One-time payment, unlimited supply. People make payments. You don't need to keep recreating, all right? One product can serve you eternally, unless you decide to add some things or remove some things. Now, another digital product that you can sell is checklists. One-page PDF that solve one specific problem. You can decide to tell people, oh, I am selling this. People that have this issue. Example, if you are under health niche, you can decide to start selling problem-solving content. I mean packs, I mean checklists to these people that have health challenge. All right. The next one is sell your skill. You know that when you are creating faceless channel, you might have had the knowledge of video editing because you can edit. What is faceless channel without editing? If you can pull it together, you can edit videos. All right. Start selling your skill. Tell people that you are marketing this video editing skill. You can offer editing services to other creators. Your channel is your resume. Start as low as $50, $100 per video. Yeah. The next one is you can sell your script. You can sell your skill, which is script writing. I've talked about selling video editing skills, right? The next one is selling your script writing. Many creators hate writing. They don't like writing scripts. Offer done for you scripts in your need. Bundle in bulk 5 scripts. You can sell it for $10, $20, $50. And the thing is that you have audience who pays in dollars here. Now you can decide to sell your thumbnail designs. I mean, selling your skills on your thumbnail designs. Creators who need this will approach you. You can also sell your research workflow setup. So many things to sell based on your skill. Why I am taking my time to explain these things? Because many faceless creators are stuck. They don't know that there are other ways to make money here, even without getting monetized. All right. Now, sell your skills. I've talked about different skills that you can sell. We are going to the next one, which is number 14, email lists. Now, outside algorithm, outside YouTube, where does your community belong? This is where, even if YouTube slow down, you still own this, your audience. Use it to send people to your freebies, tools, and offers. All right. Email list. There are platforms that gives you access for you to have this email list. All right. They do it for free. Please go ahead and do your further research. Now, I want to summarize the level 1. You are building the channel and building income streams at the same time. You are selling your services, you are selling your products and all that. Okay. I started earning on Facebook, even on YouTube here, without getting monetized. Before I even got monetized, I started selling my products, my video editing skills. This is me sharing my life journey with you. I sold digital products. I sold my skills. I organized classes. I earned from this. All right. So don't just sit and be like, oh, I am waiting until I get monetized. Now, the next one is level 2. I call it scaling systems. You activate when views become consistent. Now at this point, you are not just posting, you are getting consistent views. YouTube understands who your videos are for. Your audience is building trust, and most level 2 streams kicks in once you hit tier 2, which is the 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour or 10 million views. Now let's talk about it. We have long form video ad revenue. I won't be explaining them in details because I don't want this video to last up to 1 hour, or I don't want it to be too long. I call it classic stream. Ads don't reward posting, they reward watch time. YouTube get to pay you for the amount of time people spend on your videos, all right? Because along that time, they will come across different advertisements. Okay, now focus on retention, tight structure, faster pacing, repeatable formats. We have the one we call short revenue. Short revenue shares. When you get to post short form content at the end of the month, YouTube get to pay you. Short gets attention while long form video builds trust. So when you are posting short, please make sure you link your long form video so that you can build trust and also make much money. We have the one we call YouTube premium revenue. Earn a share of subscription fees when premium members watch your content. No extra work, just create evergreen videos people keep watching. We have the one we call brand sponsorships. I will tell you, this is the highest or the height of it, and this is where I have made my much money here on YouTube. All right, even before I got monetized here on YouTube, with my 1,000 subscribers, I was able to get different brand sponsorship whereby brand pays me and like I create content for their product. Yes, they pay a lot of money for this, you guys. You can charge up to $1,000 level, but for this stream you must not necessarily reach the monetization criteria. No, like I just did, like I just told you, even before I got monetized, I was already having these brand sponsorships. Yeah. Now if you are working on your faceless content, brands pays you when you naturally use their product. Yes, I know someone on Facebook that, if you know H-Field AI, they paid him over $8,000 just because he was using their product and he talked about their product. Yeah, just because he was using H-Field product, H-Food AI has to reach out to him and tell him, guy, please can we partner? Yes, and that's how he made his money. He wasn't showing his face, no, he did it facelessly. Yeah, let's talk about YouTube shopping. This is number 19, where you get to sell your products. It could be your physical products, it could be digital products. Yeah, you link it in your video. If you look at people's video, there are some channels that once their video is playing, that they are displaying their products alongside the video. Yeah. Now, how can you do this one? You can tag your product directly under your video. YouTube shopping affiliate. This is where you have to drop links of other people's products. When people buy from there, they will give you commission. All right. Next time you come to me and tell me, oh, Techmom, I can't earn on YouTube, I am tired, I am this, please maximize these opportunities. Just sit down, make research on 1 or 2 or even 3 that you can start and start making money gradually. Yeah, I started making money even on Facebook before I got monetized on Facebook. I was selling my skills, I was selling my products, and people were buying. Yeah, so that is it. You don't depend on YouTube ads monetization before you can make money. Now let's talk about number 21, which is you can sell courses. Yeah, when you repeatedly talk about something, you can convert it as a course to sell to people. The next one is you can decide to organize workshops. When you notice that you have started getting audience attention, you can organize workshops for them. This can happen in the level 2. When you have over 1,000 subscribers and thereabouts. All right. Now we have the one we call paid community. You can decide to organize a paid community whereby people pay just to access the information in the community. All right. Please don't rely on access anymore. This is one of the most stable recurring streams for faceless creators. They are not tied to one viral video. People pay for accountability, feedback, template, and studied assets. And people use platforms like Discord, School, and so on to create these communities. We have masters. I'm not gonna explain this deep because I don't want this video to be long. Now I'm going to level 3, which is asset streams. turn your content into long-term wealth. This is where your content becomes an asset that earns beyond YouTube views. That time, you might have passed the first level, second level, and third level. You would have been having multiple, like 100k plus subscribers and thereabouts. Alright, income isn't only tied to your latest upload, your backlog, your authority, and your systems. Start doing more of the work. Alright, one of these features is curator music, whereby you have to use the music of a curator and you guys will share revenue. Yeah, maybe you are promoting someone's music, use it in your background, and maybe your video went viral, you got multiple views. YouTube get to share that revenue with the owner of the music. Alright, so you earn and earn. Another feature is education monetization features. YouTube is testing features specifically for educational curators, paid courses, structured learning playlists, and so on. So if your content teaches something, check your end tab always. Check your end tab always. Alright, let's talk about the next one, which is YouTube analytics and audience insight. People pay to get this, for you to study their analytics. Yeah, and that's pretty fine. You charge them for that because they're seeing you as an expert who has succeeded. You are successful already, alright? So you can charge whatever you want. Now, in this stage, you can create what we call the high ticket offers. Yeah, the channel proves you know what you are talking about, alright? You can charge up to $500, $2,000. I know of a woman here who charges up to $2,000 just for 1 hour call with her, just to know her strategy. That's all. 1 hour, $2,000. Creators also make money from this, alright? They solve specific problems for specific clients. The one I just explained is consultation. It's under consultation. Now we have the one we call retainers, monthly recurring payment. People get to pay, okay, because of this thing that you taught us, you are paying $200 every month for this. Just like that. Alright, it's a recurring payment still on this high tickets offer. Now the next one is channel audit. One time, big dive video, you have to check their videos. Trying to review people's videos, people pay you for that, and you can charge up to $1,000 to do this. Now we have done for you systems. You said that you set up their channels for them, you review their AI script, you review their voiceover, you review their editing, and so on. So people also pay for this. In case if you don't know, alright. We have strategy sections. I've talked about that. No teaching, no how teaching, just what they should do that will work for them. That's what this one does. Now, finally, the climax of it is most of them, they build apps just to access their content. Alright, that time you have made money enough. You now have to build app. So these are the ways creators make money online. I just shared over 30 ways you can make money here on YouTube. Practical ways. Please take your time. Pick 1, 2, 3 that works for you and start working on them. Alright, as you are building your page, you are strategizing ways you will make money. That is how to make money here. So if you love this teaching, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to share to someone who needs this video. I love you. See you guys in my next video. And lest I forget, please, you can decide to sell your channel. Yeah, your faceless channels, you can decide to sell them. You can decide to grow multiple channels, grow them to 1K and sell them. It will be your business. You keep selling channels and you make money. So please, by next time, don't be discouraged. I mean, like, oh, I'm not getting monetized on YouTube. What if they don't monetize my AI videos? What if? Grow it, sell it, make money, or grow it. So digital products, do other things like make you money with the channel. You just have to sit down, think.